Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, my people in which part of the world on a day. How much I remember back in the day when all 3, 4, 5 or more people that sleep on the trunk bed where your granny have. Some would have turned sideways, long way. As a matter of fact, some we barely catch, but we still asleep. And you know what would have make matters worse? For those of us who used to have to sleep on the kaya mattress when the springer come up through it and a juke you. What a uncomfortable thing. But we had to sleep, kind of better never there, back in a them the day there. Humble beginnings, my people. And God forbid if you dip on the bed with one picnic with pissy bed, you gotta wake up a morning time and you wet like a river. Let me tell you something, we come a long way, you know. Now summer we can just spread out pan with big queen size and king size bed. Hey, give God thanks as always, Mama Selva. Have a beautiful morning, evening, or night in which part of the world you know there. And drop a line, make me hear for no memory man. Who no must have some of them the memory there.